So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more of our videos, our future videos. I have a haul for you guys today, and if you hear jingle bells and stuff and all these little bells and whistle, it's my animals. The cat has a bell around her neck. The dog has his tag thing. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have a haul from Carter's, and I also have an unboxing from the Honest Company. So I don't know which one to do first. So let's just get into the haul for the baby, because I might separate these. So I went to Carter's today because after my baby shower, I figured I didn't get a lot of clothes for her, which I knew I wasn't going to get a lot of clothes for her because I didn't ask for clothes. I asked for diapers. So I know that I have to, and I'm very picky when it comes to my kids' clothes and what they wear. So I'd rather me go and buy what I want than for people to bring me things, if that makes sense. So I went to Carter's, and I also went to Ross. I didn't find a lot of stuff at Ross because, yeah, just didn't find a lot of things. So let me show you the things I got from Ross first, and then so from Ross, I have this little bib. This cute little bib that says baby, and as another print right here. Another print, and this was $2.99. Not bad, right? $2.99 for 3 bibs. So I had to get that. And then the next thing I picked up was this little sleeper with the sock, and it just looked like this. And this is in 6 months. She can always grow into it, then grow out of it. This was $4.99. And next thing I picked up for her is this cute little dress, and it just looks like this, and it has a headband, and then it just like that, cutie, like that, and then on the back it just has a little diaper cover, and this was $7.99. This was $7.99. So that's all I got from Ross because that's all I could find. So I went to Carter's because it's like right next door to Ross. And I went to their clearance section, and I found these cute little bibs that were on sale for $2.99. And this one just looks like that. It's just a little, I want to say it's a kitten. It's just a little kitten. And then the next one is it just has a floral print on it, and this one was $1.99. The other one was $2.99. I think it's because of the print. I don't know. Then I got her this cute little shirt. I know it's sleeveless, and I know she's gonna be born in November, but I figured she can always put a sweater or a jacket over it, and this was $1.99. So, and I got a 30% off coupon. It was extra 30% off, so it wasn't really $1.99. It was, I think, I don't even remember the price, but. And then they were having 50% off their original items, so I picked up this 3-piece. So it's just a little onesie that says made you smile, and then the other one is just it's just a pants. It's a pants with a little fox on the butt. And then it just says wild about daddy on the other one. So it just looks like this. So that's cute. And then I saw this and I had to get it. This was on their clearance rack for this was on their clearance rack for $13.99. Originally $40, and then you had to get an extra 30% off. So yeah, this was adorable. It has a little vest on here, and then the little shirt and the pants. And this is in 6 months. Like I said, she can grow into these. And then I just got the plain pack of white onesies because I have some iron-on things that I want to put on these. So once I do that, I will show you guys how those turn out. And then I got her a whole bunch of shirts. So I think I got her 5 shirts. The first one looks like this, and it just says I love you. And this was $5.99 with an additional 30% off. And this one just says awesome, which she will be. It just looks like that. And then the other one is just like this, and it says be happy, be funny, be kind. And these are all 6 months. And then the other one is just like, oh, it says sweet, and I love this one. I love this print. I love this print. So cute. And then the other one is just this one. It says, this is what an amazing sister looks like. And I just think this is so adorable. And then the last 2 items are these little leggings. Aren't these adorable? These were $3.99, and I bought it to go with this one. So, and then the last little legging is this cute, adorable little, it has this tribal like stripe going, the little tribal print going down the side, and it's just so adorable. It's the tiniest little leggings I've ever seen. Excuse me. And this was $1.99 with additional 30% off. So that's all the items that I got her for now. So let's move into the unboxing of the Honest Company. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Oh, such a big box. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's put you guys back up. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Woo! My first purchase from the Honest Company. Isn't that lovely, guys? Look at that. That is so pretty. So amazing. All this good stuff. Yay. Yay. All that goodies. So this is everything that I ordered. Let me just give you guys an open. So this is everything that I ordered. Not everything, I have another shipment coming in, but this is the stuff that I ordered for laundry. So this is their essential bundle with add-ons. So let me show you guys what's all in here. Let's get started. Let's dig in. And guys, please don't mind my my Christmas decoration behind me. Don't mind. It's been up there for going on a year now. Kind of match my shirt, but whatever. So the first thing that I have in here are 4 packs of the single wipes with 10 in here. So it just looks like this. Oh yes, all that goodie. And there's 10 wipes that come in here. So these were add-ons. So that's that. And then I got a pack of their 72 wipes. And it just looks like this. And I added that on as well. Oh man, something burst. Oh, that all, if you guys can see, you hear that? This is the Honest Oxy Boost, but I think the single pack, the pods burst in here, so I'm gonna have to contact them and see if I can get replacement. And then the next item that was add-on was this Honest dryer cloth. So it just looks like this. And I'm trying these out for my husband because let's focus. Trying these out for my husband because he has really sensitive skin, and nothing that I've tried have worked. So let's see if these work. So next item in the bundle is the Honest diaper rash cream. And it just looks like this. Let me see if I can take it out. So just looks like this. Small. Thought it would be a bigger tube, but it's small. This is their 2.5 ounce. Yeah, 2.5 ounce diaper rash cream. Oh well. And then the next item that was a part of my bundle is the Honest bubble bath for my daughter. Well, for Madison, the new baby that's coming. So perfectly gentle. No, this is for the kids. This is for the kids. Sorry. So it didn't leak. Let me see. This is the perfectly gentle sweet orange vanilla. I don't think this has a smell to it. I'll probably see that later. And then the next thing that I wanted to try was their, oh, this burst as well. Okay, but that's not nice. Okay. Okay. Oh well. This is their Honest 4-in-1 laundry packs. And this has 50 in here, so this is what that looks like. And then, as I said, the Oxy Boost, which burst, and it's all in the bag. So I don't know, probably could still use it. And then the last item is their laundry soap, which looks like this. So that's it. So I have another box that's coming with all of Madison's care stuff that she's gonna use, like shampoo, conditioner, healing balm, some other stuff that I have. So I'm waiting on that bundle. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.